Good afternoon, you're tuned in to GKTV and I'm your host Shireen Aman. The Jammu and Kashmir Legislative Assembly convened today for a special one-day session in Jammu dedicated to condemning the terrorist attack in Pahalgam that left 26 innocent people dead on April 22. The session, which began at 10:30 am, was called in the aftermath of the killings at Baisaran, a popular tourist spot in Pahalgam.
हम नफरत और दहशतगर्दी की इस शर्मनाक हरकत की मजम्मत करते हैं जिसने पूरी इंसानियत को झंझोड़ कर रख दिया।
Speaker Abdul Rahim Rathar led the session honoring the lives lost in the brutal attack. The House observed 2 minutes of silence to pay respects to the victims, mostly tourists from other parts of the country. Members from all political parties expressed their shock, grief and unwavering condemnation of the attack, with a collective resolve to stand united against terrorism. Deputy Chief Minister Surinder Chaudhary presented a resolution condemning the inhumane act and reaffirming the government's commitment to ensure the safety of citizens and visitors alike.
This House unequivocally condemns the heinous, cowardly act that resulted in the loss of innocent lives. Such acts of terror are a direct assault on the ethos of Kashmir. The values enshrined in our Constitution and the spirit of unity, peace and harmony that have long characterized Jammu and Kashmir and our nation.
The leader of opposition Sunil Sharma expressed his solidarity with the victims and demanded stronger security measures to protect the region. National Conference leader Tanveer Sadiq described the session as highly sensitive, emphasizing that the entire House stood united in their grief and determination. BJP leaders, including JNK Party President Sat Sharma, emphasized the need for unity in combating terrorism. They reiterated the importance of working with security agencies to prevent future attacks and vowed to continue their fight against terrorism, ensuring that Jammu and Kashmir moves forward on the path of development and peace. The session convened at the recommendation of the Council of Ministers under Chief Minister Umar Abdullah's leadership, where all parties saw a unity in their condemnation. The House's unity in this hour of crisis has echoed a powerful message across, standing firmly against forces that aim to destabilize the region. Chief Minister Umar Abdullah has also stated that the spontaneous outpouring of grief and condemnation after the Pahalgam attack marks the beginning of the end of terrorism in Kashmir. He further emphasized that using the tragedy of 26 innocent deaths to seek political gains, such as statehood restoration, would be a curse and must never be done.
मैं किस मुंह से इस पहलगाम के वाक़ये को इस्तेमाल करके मरकज से कहूँगा ना अब मुझे स्टेट हो मैं क्या मेरी क्या इतनी सस्ती सियासत है मुझे क्या इन 26 लोगों के मरने की इतनी कम कदर है कि मैं अब मरकज से जाके कहूंगा ना चलो 26 लोग मर गए अब मुझे स्टेटहुड दे दो। स्टेटहुड की बात हमने पहले भी की आगे भी करेंगे, लेकिन लानत हो मुझ पे अगर मैं आज ये कह के मरकज के पास जाऊं कि ना अब 26 मर गए अब दे दो। देने की बात हम करेंगे लेकिन इस मौके पे नहीं। इस मौके पे ना कोई सियासत, ना कोई बिजनेस रूल्स, ना कोई स्टेटहुड, ना कुछ और। एक ही चीज ना, इस हमले की कड़ी निंदा और उन 26 लोगों के साथ दिल की गहराइयों से हमदर्दी और ताज़ीम।
Stay tuned for further updates.